This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable adult content on Bluesky. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my web browser opened up now and I am logged into Bluesky. To enable or disable adult content, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go to the pane off to the left hand side. You want to go over to Settings, click on Settings. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Moderation. Then right in this area under Content Filters, right here is Enable Adult Content. By default, it is probably disabled. You can toggle that on. Then it gives you all kinds of different choices here. Adult content, sexual image, do you want them to show? You want to be warned about them or you want them hidden? By default, they're probably hidden. You can click on Show. Sexually suggestive, do you want it to show? Do you want to be warned or do you want it to be hidden? You can toggle on whatever you want. Toggle off or on whatever you want. That is how to enable adult content on Bluesky. Thanks for watching.